Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog, and you might be surprised because we've done a few car shopping videos which will continue, but today we are going for the last drive in the Leon and picking up my new car. Can you guess what it is? Pause it, write it in the comments, and then I'll tell you now. We're going to get the Puma. So strap in, like and subscribe, follow me to the dealership for the last drive and picking up a fresh new whip. How can he see where he's going? No, I'm excited.
Oh, okay.
But I'm also... Have we got all the paperwork?
Yes. Cut that out. Don't want them to think you're stalking.
James! Let's have a barbecue and a beer. You bus wanker.
Bus stop.
Whatever. Mum knows.
Bus stop, mate.
And she can give you a better haircut. She says it every time.
Do we need to take the key off your thing?
Yeah, I'll do that when I'm in there though.
Okay.
I've also got the other one in
your
my pocket.
You got to remember to say Motability, not
I
mobility.
might say mobility just to wind people up. We're here to pick up my mobility car, Motability.
Motability. Should I change the thing? There's buzzer.
I can see that. With my auto. Hello there. I'm good, yeah? Yes. My mum.
I'm fine.
Hello again.
Yeah, we did, yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
We have one of them.
Yeah, we can. Why not?
So, did you see the car up there?
I didn't, no.
No?
There was a guy in a full focus, he might have been pulled in front with it. There's loads of them, but I couldn't see my one.
Do you want to have a good look around? Should we go and have a look at it?
Yeah, if you want to, yeah.
Exciting.
Very cool. One of these. Oh, it's first down, I thought. Very nice. Yeah.
Nice wheels.
Nice wheels and leather interior.
It's deeper, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't use that before. Better plate.
Scorch.
Huh?
Scorch. You know I love it.
Do you like the wheels?
I do like the wheels. I don't remember them looking like that, but they're better than what I remember.
There we are. All done for. That's okay, isn't it?
That's great, yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I'll be an engineer. I'm an engineer now, aren't I?
Yeah. Put that on your CV, you'll be
Yeah.
alright.
That's it.
Has it got what's this bit here? Oh, am I
That's the rest. I suppose that's where you rest your foot. I suppose really.
okay. Yeah, that's good.
Is that all right?
Yeah, it looks nice.
We did try spinning it around the other way.
Yeah.
But it takes
No,
a
it-
bit more
It's
footwork.
meant to go that way, okay.
Okay, you've got a
The
car.
letters and the
car
paperwork.
anyway, haven't you? You're trading as well. Have you got a car?
The mobility car, my last mobility car, yeah, my Seat Leon. It's parked out there. In one of the disabled bays.
I'll go and inspect that. Yeah, just go and get a full now. While you're downloading, I'll give you the instructions on what to do.
Okay, excellent.
In just yet.
Okay, no.
I just need your spare keys and key for your.
1 second.
You've got one.
Spare is here. Where did I have the keys? Oh, there. This is the spare.
Does anyone want a drink at all?
I'm fine, thank
I'm
you.
fine, thank you.
I'm okay at the moment.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do you know roughly where that's your parked in the car?
Instead of just saying,
Yeah, brilliant. Okay. I won't be there. Sent you a PIN number as well, have they?
But that's in that there. They sent me 4 of those. They do it every
they?
year. Every time I renew, I get them through the post all the time. Do that, though.
4 cars.
Yeah. I'll take all of them.
Be tracking the car.
Yeah. Now it's saying add vehicle, so I leave it now, or
No, we'll add the vehicle. So if I shout out the VIN number, good. So if you like just to say yes and yes once you've read that through, to give him permission to.
submit. And
There
then
we are. So
we're
what
done.
we'll do is we'll go and activate the vehicle in a short while. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So don't press anything yet.
No, I'll throw it off of that screen so it doesn't do it in my pocket.
Okay. Fine. That's good. I just need you to sign here. Sign and date there, please.
we had a bit of Christmas dinner yesterday, didn't
Yeah.
Is it? Turkey.
we?
Yeah.
Wow.
Found it all.
Had it all in the car, so I got back with that. Pigs in, bacon, something.
Sausage meat stuff on as well.
And if I could ask you to sign the AFM certificate, so it's you just sign there and date there, please. Where are you going to go for your first?
But at some point, I'm going to drive all the way to London.
Are you?
Yeah, within the next couple of days. I'll probably do like a little drive around town. Yes, to Wimbledon. That's where we've got to go, so it's going to have a good, nice run out. And then back. Hopefully I don't get stuck in the Dartford Tunnel. Oh, you can track it.
Yeah, yeah. Tracker. Yeah. But will tell you. Similar, the track will do it permanently.
Yeah.
Whereas this, it does it on an intermittent basis.
Okay.
It's still
But you
doing
can.
cars.
Awesome.
Also have a customer wanting to pass it on. They were at Thetford Forest, had a lovely day in Thetford Forest. She couldn't where she put the car. I hadn't drunken anything at all. She used the app. Awesome. Another one, customer mine, locked the keys in the car, self-locked.
Yeah.
She couldn't get into the car, she had to go and someone break into the car and get the keys out.
Yeah.
She had the app, which she now has. She could have opened the car.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome, isn't it?
So you can tell. Also, if you've got a long journey ahead, you got anything, check your petrol, you can go on that on your phone.
Yeah.
You can have petrol to get there, tyre pressures.
Yeah.
So lots of safety features.
Yeah.
It really is
Awesome.
good.
No, I will be using it a lot. Yeah.
What's going to have a do with a lovely new car?
So excited. Lovely. Awesome. Right then. Try the best not to. I don't know how wide it's going to open.
Clear in there. I can move it out a bit more if you want to.
I'm good. Just not going to be anyone else's way. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, absolutely fine. Yeah, very comfortable.
Vice versa, each one do is 23 model year, this little bit you see here is an infrared camera. So what I was doing,
I already know how to work the massage.
Oh,
I
lovely.
won't be doing it because it hurt my back, but that's because I've got so many knots. But it's an impressive thing.
Okay.
So nice.
Yeah?
Get in and let's drive home.
Look at it.
Oh, we're going. Am I going to make that?
Maiden voyage.
Yeah, but I can't tell on my side. Your side, bub.
No, you're fine here on my side.
Yes, we've got front and back sensors.
We just haven't got a camera. £800 extra just for the camera.
Which I wasn't going to do. I know this says entrance, but... Who's going? I'm going. This footplate is so much better. Well, as you can see, I'm sat in my new Ford Puma Vignale. We've driven it around. I say we. I've driven it. People have been passengers. So far, so good. £35 fuel gets you just under 3/4 of a tank. Not too bad. Yeah. Hopefully you've enjoyed this episode. There will be a lot more car related content coming. I will do a full review of what's going on in here and how it drives long distances within the next couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. But yeah, as of now, I have to say I'm very happy with my choice. It is very different. And one little sneak peek that I'm probably going to mention loads in the review and the look in my car is that the Bang & Olufsen sound system is insane. Insane. Amazingly clear on a phone call as well. It was like my mum was in the car with us. Insane. So yeah, that has been me picking up my brand new Motability car 2023. Stay locked, subscribe, like. Camgirl knows what she's talking about. Share as well. Like, subscribe, share. And I'll catch you in the next one.